So check it out. There's that little black fishing pole right in the wire. That's my 6 foot high shit hits the fan desperation antenna test, right? Well, I started thinking, last night I just posted a video of a contact I made with S53 Alpha in Slovakia, and it got me thinking, man. You know, on my 80-meter wire, I don't think you can probably see it, but it comes out there and it goes way up there, way 40 feet high-ish, and then drops down about 12 feet. You know, the thing is, man, that thing works spectacular. I can work anything I can hear on that piece of wire. I can work any DX I want. I can work anything I want. And I don't care if I'm using 1 watt or 100. And it got me thinking, man, if that 40-meter 6-footer, the concept is it's an emergency antenna, a serious straight up what the hell happened antenna. And that thing's proving itself gloriously. And as far as NVIS goes, oh man, it's unbelievable, man. Which you'd expect. That's no surprise. But I don't have... So what happens if you want to get on 80 and you want to throw your wire over some bushes and shit? I don't have a bunch of bushes, but I do have those bamboo sticks. And by putting two together, I can get them 6 feet long, like that one. Now, my shack antenna's just around the corner, right? After I'm done playing with this 40-meter wire, I'm going to put up a shit hits the fan 80-meter emergency antenna, and it's just going to loop. So about 6 feet high across the yard, and when I get to the shed, I'm taking the remainder and throwing it up and over the shed. I wish I had a bunch of bushes. I don't. But that's going to be my next test. What can you do with an 80-meter wire that you just threw on top of whatever? 73.